Hey guys, Brian here with BTL Buildings. Just wrapped up the latest project that I've been working on in the background. Had a lot of other work going on, so this kind of got pushed off as I was figuring out what components I wanted to use and how I wanted to build it. But what you're looking at is the nicest dog house that I've ever seen. The goal I set out to accomplish was to build the nicest and longest lasting doghouse I could possibly think of. Built to last is kind of the motto, the unofficial motto of the company. So this is what you're looking at. So starting with the design, I kind of wanted to stick to like a coastal cottage, or I guess farmhouse style. And I wanted to include the front porch for several reasons. I didn't see a whole lot of dog houses with them, but I think they're a great addition. Going over some of the construction details, all the timber here is ground contact rated, treated. And then we've got the Trex decking here. And I went with a lighter color for heat reasons. Anybody that has any experience with this knows that during the summertime, any of the dark colors get blistering hot. But then under, the joist underneath, I don't know if you can see that, they're all taped. So everything's sealed up. The biggest killer to any house is water. So all the design details were with the thought of water, the caulking of the PVC trim, which is basically will never rot, caulk. And then this flashing seal here actually steps down and goes under. So no water will get under or behind anything. And then the LP Smart siding, which has a 50-year warranty. So it's kind of it's a pretty awesome product, and it hangs over here so no water can get up under the house into the inside. The floor is sealed. And then we've got all the joints in here caulked, and this is just regular ply. Nothing, it's not cedar and it's not treated. And then you can see up here it's an actual ridge vent it's got 2 layers of screen on it to keep out any critters. So the thought was during the summertime, cool air could draft in and then come and vent out of the top. So homemade ridge vent here. And anyways, this actual functioning ridge vent. And I went with the Galvalume color 10 basically for heat reflection. I've got black roofing on my shop, and during the summer it is unbelievably hot underneath, like the lean-tos in the shade. So, but this too, I put wood decking under here to help reflect any of that heat, sun heat. So it should be nice and comfortable under here. And then for wintertime, I made an optional door flap that just clips in, and it should withstand a lot of in and out by your dog, and they shouldn't go anywhere. It should last a long time. But during the summer, you can just come out here and take it off, and then it's very ventilated, yet it's still protected from the rain because of the lean-to. So there it is. Oh, and it's fully insulated. I don't know if I mentioned that. All inside the walls, under the floor, and all in the roof has 2-inch rigid foam insulation. So it should stay very moderate inside there. So if you're interested in it, please reach out. I can deliver it personally, or you can pick it up. It is very heavy, so know that. Might take two people probably to pick it up. I used a dolly to roll it out here myself, but yeah, and if it's sold and you're interested in one, just let me know, and we can get started. Thank you.